Crown Royal Golden Apple 23 Years Review. Is this a $200 bottle of whiskey or just expensive apple juice? Let's start off with the aroma. So really what hits your nose, artificial apple. I don't smell any of that 23-year age whiskey. So for the aroma on a scale from 1 to 10, I'm gonna give this a 3. Let's go in for the initial taste. The sweetness of the apple hits me up front and then kind of goes away really quickly. So for the initial taste, I'm also going to give this a 3. For complexity, I do taste it on the tip of my tongue. It does go back. I'm going to give this a 3. On the mouthfeel, it's pretty weak. It doesn't stay there very long. You get that sweetness, apple up front, a tiny hint of the whiskey towards the back. I'm actually gonna give the mouthfeel a 2. Even at this point, it's already starting to leave my mouth. After the few sips and everything, I'm not tasting it very long. So the finish on this, not very good either. I'm gonna give it a 3. Would I buy this again? Not for that price tag. I will be giving that a 2. I gave this 16 points out of a possible 60. Thanks again for joining me on another rabbit hole. Cheers, my friends.